Visit Iconsiam, Bangkok's largest riverside mall, by the free shuttle boat from the
Sathorn
Pier, Bangkok Travel Guide. Watch this video to find out how to get to Iconsiam by the Iconsiam free boat from
บางรัก
Bangkok's mini Chinatown, also a sneak peek of the Iconsiam Mall and the Chinese New Year decor outside the mall. This video was taken few weeks after Chinese New Year 2023. 2023 is the year of the rabbit, therefore you will get to see how Iconsiam decorated for Chinese New Year. From
สาทร
Pier, which is located near the
สะพานทักษิณ
BTS station, you can take the free boat to one of Bangkok's largest riverside malls called Iconsiam. Here is a sneak peek of the
สาทร
Pier. You can catch various kinds of local, tourists, and private boats from the
สาทร
Pier. There are various ticket counters, where you can get the tickets and ticket machines. If you have a BTS SkyTrain Rabbit card, you can use the card to pay for the Chao Phraya Express boat fare. You have to walk to the end of the
สาทร
Pier, where you will see the Iconsiam shuttle boat sign. This is Iconsiam's personal area at the pier, where people taking the boat can sit and hang around to wait for the free shuttle boat to arrive. You will get to see various kinds of transportation boats along the river, plus popular riverside hotels and buildings like Shangri-La and Lebu Estate Tower, the building with the Golden Dome, which has the most popular and expensive rooftop bar in the city called Sirocco. Also, various hotel shuttle boats like the Peninsula Hotel boat that is beautifully decorated Thai style. Even Thai long-tail speedboats. You can book a private long-tail speedboat to tour around the Chao Phraya River and the canals connected with the Chao Phraya River. Disclaimer: if you book a private long-tail speedboat tour, the cost of the boat is quite costly, so it's advisable to book a long-tail speedboat tour if you're going to go as a group. This way you can split the cost. Iconsiam is a luxury mall with high-end luxury brands. Many people just go to the mall for the ambience and to do window shopping. Also, people go to Iconsiam to enjoy the restaurants and the SookSiam indoor floating market. a sneak peek of what you can expect to see, eat, and drink at the Iconsiam Mall. Iconsiam is a popular place to go visit to enjoy some local, international food, and to check out Thailand's largest first original Apple store. There were various photo booth areas around the mall where you could sit and take photos for memories. not forget to visit SookSiam when visiting Iconsiam. According to Google, SookSiam, affectionately known as Bangkok's indoor floating market, is an amazing architectural wonder as well as a fun place to appreciate Thailand's local cultural heritage, food, and crafts all under one roof in the comfort of a gigantic air-conditioned hall.
Oui, c'est comme certi, oui, ça me sert.
Visit this popular Thai restaurant that has various branches around Bangkok if you want to have nice authentic Thai food. Check out one of BKKSF Guide's YouTube video that gives a sneak peek of how this Thai restaurant is. Once you're done visiting the mall, you can take the free Iconsiam shuttle boat back to the
สาทร
pier. Once you reach
บางรัก
Bangkok's mini Chinatown, you can grab some delicious street food, which is what
บางรัก
is famous for. This will be a good ending to your trip to Iconsiam by the free Chao Phraya River shuttle boat. Like, comment, and subscribe to at BKKSF Guide.